Hi, my name is Joel Reedy and I'm one of the founding attorneys at Cornerstone Law Firm. Today I want to answer the question, what is probate? So after the death of a loved one, we're often asked about probate. People have heard about it from their bank, from an insurance company, from someone they know, and they know there's a process they're supposed to go through with their loved one's estate, but they don't know quite what to do. Probate is the process of gathering the assets of your loved one and, under court supervision, paying off bills and distributing the remainder to the beneficiaries, the heirs of the estate. Probate doesn't have to be a frightening process, but it does require that someone step up to be the executor or administrator of the estate. If your loved one had a will, then that will tells you who is in charge of the estate. If you don't have a will, that can be a little bit more difficult, but it's still a process that can be handled. There's a statute in Pennsylvania that determines who is going to be in charge of the estate and who will take responsibility for those assets. Now, in all circumstances, you don't necessarily have to probate. There are times that it's advantageous to avoid going through the probate process with the court, and it's perfectly legal if you're able to gather the assets without probate. But that's something that you'll want to discuss with an estate attorney who can help you through that process. We understand that the death of a loved one is a really difficult time, and so if we can help you at Cornerstone Law Firm to figure out whether you should go through probate or what your next steps are, we'd be happy to do so.